Good afternoon. I want to shoot a little update on my straw bale gardens that I prepped in a previous video. And, well, let's take a look. What I did here is several different methods to plant on the straw bales. For lettuce, what I did is I just put a real thin layer of pro mix, just a potting mix. You don't want to put soil from the ground on it. And then I just, essentially just seeded it right on top of that. And I also planted carrots. And carrots, they're coming up pretty good. And from the books that I've read, the lettuce, the carrots, do real well on the straw bales. But once I got mine, all prepped up with the fertilizer, the mushrooms were growing like crazy. Here's another bale where I planted peppers, and I also just added, some marigolds. Now in this bale, I did not put any dirt whatsoever. I just, what I did is you just essentially pull back the straw, slide your plant right in there, close it up. But you'll notice right now the mushrooms have really kind of settled down, but you'll notice the whole straw bale is like a, kind of like that black stuff, and that comes off the mushrooms. Yeah, but if you come over here, this one is going real well. Just regular old garden bush beans. And we have so many rabbits, and every single time I planted beans in the garden, I mean, they would pop up, next day, all would be gone. And here again, I just did, put the seeds directly into the straw bale. And they're really doing well. One thing with the straw bales, you do have to, make sure you keep them watered, because they, if they're in the direct sun, they could dry out fairly quick. But yeah, so far beans doing great. The last straw bale I just have some tomato plants that I'm starting on top, but I did buy some strawberries, just like some plugs, and planted them inside, and they never took. So I think with this one, you could see just all the gnats and stuff, fungus gnats, because it's just prime for breeding them. So I think I'm gonna just throw some soil on top of that, and then just do some flowers or maybe some more lettuce. But it's something I just wanted to try, and really more than anything is I wanted to do this to build the soil, because moved in here, and this is my second season, and as you can see, it just started from a lawn. So I'm doing the back to Eden method, using the wood chips. I also do some square foot gardening, and we also got some flowers too coming up. But yeah, you know what? I'm gonna keep doing some updates on this straw bale gardening, and the green beans sure look nice. No rabbits. I have a dog. I don't let her in here, but that's always an issue too, is with dogs trampling on your flowers and veggies. And when they're off the ground, this not 100%, but it certainly helps. But yeah, all in all, man, I would say I would do this again, but we'll keep you updated. Who knows, things could go south. But if you have any comments, or if you've done straw bale gardening, please leave a comment and your results below, and please subscribe, and make it a great day. Take care.